My name's Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have worked thousands of IRS cases. I'm like the IRS insider. I've been on the outside, so to speak, for 41 years, inside for 10. I'm a national figure. I've been on Fox a couple times, ABC, NBC, CBS, News Nation, Newsmax. Just look at me at my website. You can find out all about me at 777irs.com. When I was at IRS, I used to teach the offer and compromise program, and I do a lot of these videos over and over. I put a little spin because I'm constantly asked these questions. So when I'm called and asked questions, I like to do videos. And someone called me recently and said, my offer didn't go through. And even though I've done these videos before, I want to tell you the number one reason that offers don't get kicked out by IRS, and they're not really any good. It's people don't know the IRS National Standard Program. That National Standard Program determines which cases really, it's a big part of the offer and compromise program. So when I was an agent looking at offers, two things I'd always look at. I'd look at what's the availability, what are your asset base. That's the number one figure. If you have $100,000, you're not going to, in assets, you're not going to settle for less than 100. But the other big thing is your income and expense ratios. People think IRS is just going to go ahead and accept their expenses. Well, they don't. That's the big aha that people have. You're going to have to put in the IRS national standards, and that is a killer. And I suggest you go to the IRS national standard page and check them out to see what IRS is going to allow. And here's how this works. If IRS allows $4,500 for your expenses that they're allowing per the Department of Labor, and you got $6,000 worth of expenses, your offer is going to get kicked out, and you're going to have a $1,500 a month payment agreement. You must know that formula, or don't file your offer and compromise. Most people, if you're paying to have your offer done by a big company, they're going to just submit it and say, IRS didn't want it because of this, but we'll refile. That's not how it works. You've just extended your statute. You've paid in 20%. You need to know the formula before your case goes into IRS if it has any chance of being accepted. IRS kicked out 2/3 of the offers because really people didn't know what they were talking about. If you know what you're talking about, your offer is going to be submitted. You just got to know what you're doing. So we don't send any offers unless we know you got to really, it's really rare one of our offers is rejected by IRS. Anyway, know the formula and you probably will get a very successful offer. If you want to use it, you can. We do more high-end cases. People owe more money. Anyway, call us anytime. But the number one reason that people get booted out of their offer, they don't understand the offer and compromise formula. Give me a subscription. By the way, you can always contact me, email me, text me. Have a good day. Thank you for the subscription.